It would have been better had it never happened. A DUI conviction can ruin your life. When the state comes after you, they come with police, prosecutors, and detectives. There are fines, jail time, loss of license, insurance surcharges, and you could even lose your job. You don't need to go through this alone. Leading attorney Scott Smith specializes in DUI defense and is compassionate about defending you. Many people charged with DUI are ultimately found not guilty. You need to have an attorney who understands the law and can protect you and help minimize the damage to your life.
In almost every DUI case, you have 5 areas of defense available to you. And let me walk you through these areas of defense. First, we look to the stop. The second thing we look to is the field sobriety evaluations the officer asks the subject to perform. The third thing is probable cause for arrest. The fourth thing is implied consent warning, which is kind of like Miranda for DUI. And then lastly is the breath machine, the Intoxilizer 5000.
Scott Smith is a former prosecutor for Fulton and Cobb counties. This gives him a unique understanding of the court system and your case. It will help you defend the charges that the state has compiled against you.
I spent 5 years being a prosecutor both in Fulton County and in Cobb County. I have learned that my experience as a Solicitor General and as a prosecutor in the District Attorney's Office have helped me in talking to the state, knowing how the state thinks, and knowing how to negotiate with the state. In addition, you get to know the judges, you get to know the fellow solicitors and fellow assistant district attorneys, and these are the people that now, as a defense attorney, I try cases against. In addition to that, you get to know how police officers think. I don't know many defense attorneys that went on ride-alongs. Well, as a prosecutor, I went on a lot of ride-alongs. I got to see how the officers think. I got to see how they perform the field sobriety evaluation. I got to see how they interact with defendants or perpetrators. I got to see how they interacted with prosecutors. And as a result, I have a unique advantage in the sense that I know how prosecutors think, I know how judges think, I know how police officers think. And as a result, I think that it's benefited me in the sense when I go in the courtroom and I get to deal with the prosecutor now on the other side, I know what they're looking to hear. I know what judges are looking to hear. And of course, I know what jurors are looking to hear. My job as the attorney is to make sure that I uncover every rock and make sure that there is not a defense out there that I haven't explored. Make sure that I hold the state to its burden, and that is the burden of proof. The state has that burden. So my job as a defense attorney is make sure I hold the state to that burden. Most people who come in and hire me for DUI, it's their first time ever being in trouble. It's their first time ever going to jail. They're scared, they're frustrated. It's not that they're bad people. It's not that they're criminals. It's just that they found themselves in a very bad situation. And as their attorney, I can help them out of that situation.
Leading attorney Scott Smith specializes in helping people just like you. Why not give him a call for a free consultation about your case?